We have more than 200 sport facilities built for the recent years in the capital plus in the regions. So in the capital, we organized many multi-sport events plus different international events. So we have some legacy. In May, we'll organize the Sport Accord event, which is very well known in the sport field, the biggest sport business forum. Plus, WADA European Symposium will be in March in Bakou. And of course, Formula One event, other big sport events. We'll have World Championships in Judo. We'll have European Championships in volleyball. In Sumo, we'll have a World Championships, plus first time we organize the European Championships and a World Cup final event in some winter sports. The number of the women participants increased from the last games. And this is a really very good number for us. It's around 40% even. Last multi-sport events for us was Islamic Solidarity Games, which recently happened in Saudi Arabia. And we see that many of our women athletes took medals. Then we may say that in the sport fields, we have more and more women sport managers, as well as, of course, coaches, judges. And of course, one of the direction, this is the social inclusion. Plus, we have a special Olympics, which is also we're supporting, and Deaflympiad. And recently we took even first medal for Azerbaijan in the last Deaflympiad Games. We're cooperating with the many international organizations. We organized many youth forums here in Azerbaijan, and our different cities were the youth capitals of the different organizations. The Lankaran was the capital of the Turkish state countries. Shusha was announced the youth capital of the OIC organization. We organized it with ISESCO. This is a very good experience for our youth, because every year we see from our events that more and more volunteers applying for these events. Many international organizations know us as a well organizer and the partner. For that reason, I think Baku was announced as the sport capital of the world.